Looking snazzy. Torque and throttle is at?
Gentleman's right, 2025.
Hello, hello. Jans van Rensburg. There we go, Dion. Yeah, that's me. Thank you so much. When registering, because he didn't do it beforehand.
Okay, 100%. So how much would you like to donate? It doesn't matter. There you go.
Back in the day when it was still a single. $500, classic.
Didn't
Thumper.
you learn to ride a bike on something similar?
No,
Not?
no, I'm not mad enough for that.
Reginald here with his 1935 Ariel. It's a 500cc. It is ancient, it is difficult, but yeah, it's a beauty. I don't know where I got it from. It's been in the collection for probably 6-7 years. Yeah.
Where did you get the suit?
Yeah. Well, it still fits. Yeah.
I like small details. Mustache. No mustache. What happened?
Yeah, well, where's yours? You had one job as well.
Well, I knew you weren't going to do so. At least you
I
trimmed
did.
it. You
I
look-
did
you
some.
look
I did
very-
some. I did some shaving already, so I'm
I
done.
saw.
Hierdie kan 'n stukkie vas.
Use your big leg. Ek weet nie, maar ek sien nie dat jy skop nie. There we go, it's getting there. Daar's hy. You're gonna have to employ a kicker. Ja, ek dink daar's 'n gap daar, ja.
Okay, nou.
Sluit de rap nou vir die man.
Nee. At one stage, I almost bought one.
Fuck it, luckily you passed.
When I actually gave the guy an offer, and he accepted, and like a day later, he let me know he fell with the bike.
Oef, dankie
He
toch.
said no, he'll take 5k off the price, but this hole was scratched into it. I was like, no, bro, I don't. It's not happening.
You're gonna pass.
Yeah, no. Yeah, is it Ducati 748? If I see this, I just think of The Matrix. That one was obviously not yellow.
Yeah.
But I think actually that was wasn't that a 9 something, where she ramped with the Japanese guy off the...
Keymaker.
Yeah, with the key maker.
Decent.
When we rode past it, I actually thought it was the 790 option of the 40th anniversary of the GS.
So it's been a while since I've seen so many guys in their wedding suits.
Everywhere. There's one. Well, it was either this suit for me or my wedding suit.
So that's how you ride the DJ. And you get a DJ certificate. Your value increases significantly on these classic bikes.
And that is basically from Durban to Joburg.
Yes.
And how many days apparently?
I think it's 2 days, but it's a timed event, so it's quite particular.
Look at these gears still at on the fuel tank. Oh, look at this. It's mine, just older.
Yeah, I'm still with...
Yeah.
Today is obviously a unique occasion, and it's a unique motorcycle ride. We celebrate riding Dapper with probably 100,000 odd Dapper riders around the world. It's my honor to welcome you to the Johannesburg ride. Okay, so the stats on this ride around the world at the moment, there are 1,036 rides around the world in 108 countries. And so far, up until last year, they'd raised about $58 million for men's health. Well done to everybody for your effort today. You and your bikes are awesome, and everybody here looks gorgeous. So far in 2025, when I last looked, we were on 500 and it raised 18,600, but I had a quick squiz. We just pipped over the $19,000 mark, guys, so well done to everybody here. And Johannesburg is currently, this morning, we've probably gone a little bit higher now, but we're ranked as 91 out of 1,036 cities. So guys, you've done a flipping good job for a little town on the end of Africa. Well done.
Check of Vintage Rider sy job.
Yes,
Die Instagram page is gecreate. Kom post.
Yeah.
I do think there's a few bikes here that's not going to... Johannesburg. The city wakes with a roar, not of chaos, but of chrome and class. This is the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride 2025. Hundreds of us riding for a cause, men and women dressed sharp, riding sharper. All kind of bikes, Triumphs, Nortums, Café races and more. Me, I'm on my BMW R18. Not vintage, but timeless. The bike feels like a handshake between the past and the present. We're not just here to ride. We're raising awareness for men's mental health and prostate cancer. Every twist of the throttle today echoes for a better tomorrow.
This ride isn't about speed, it's about solidarity, style and purpose. To everyone who rode, donated or shared the story, thank you. Until next year, we go again. Without warning, my bike cuts out. The speedometer is still stuck at 40 km an hour. I wiggle myself to the side of the road, where I can inspect what went wrong. Luckily, Ben turned around to come and assist. We're back at home, so luckily we did make it back home. We got the bike running again. We had to take off the first side panels that's close to the battery and all the electronics. We had to remove that. Then the secondary panels, we had to remove that, decouple the battery, and also check all the fuses. Put all that back together. Luckily the bike then sprung into life and we were able to get going again. Triumph's and the Gentleman's Ride support vehicle did come and ask us if we were okay, but luckily 30 seconds before that we got the bike running again, so we didn't need to put the bike on the trail of shame that picks up all the broken bikes all the way to the end destination. But yeah, we lost the pack, so we needed to hightail out of there and try and catch them again. So luckily we caught them just as the last bunch was going into Prison Break Market, where which was the end destination, and here is what happened next. This is very nice.
What's this for?
It's for your Insta360, sir.
Check hierdie ding, hè?
CB900F.
Motor gadget.
A bike like this can look good in a living room as well.
Yeah, definitely.
After the ride, the real celebration kicked off at Prison Break Market. Live bands set the vibe with engines swapped for guitars. Classic rock echoing through the air. Good food, something cold to drink, and conversations with riders from every walk of life. This wasn't just the end point, it was the heartbeat of the ride. Awesome music, great people, a shared purpose. That's what makes the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride more than just a ride. Well, even he made it before us.
Yep. This I got to learn riding on that.
Oh, is that?
Yeah.
You didn't drive it to a girl you tried to impress though?
No. Not at all. Nog eenetjie?
Look at the nice stitching on the seat. The ultimate performance
Hy's
machine.
Dis the 70, hè?
Yo. Fast. Very fast.
Bonneville predecessor.
Yeah. Royal Enfield is exactly like this that you can go and tour the Cape with.
Yeah.
I don't know what it costs to do it, but you're gonna see the Cape in a whole new way and not very fast.
Yeah, not very fast at all.
You buy yourself this one and then you think you're Pierce Brosnan in 007. Get a nice Japanese lady on the back of it, shoot a few blanks, and then afterwards you go and shower and wash your hair.
This is
with
the ugliest bike, yeah. This is the ugliest bike, yeah. No, there's nothing uglier than that.
There's the original 100 RS.
Yeah.
It's amazing what it does if you just take the fairing off. The 4 pipes MV Augusta. Still wouldn't mind.
17,000 RPM. Hè?
Ja.
Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like this video, please like it and then head over to our channel, subscribe so that we can give you more content like this. And yeah, join us on this adventure and how we just live out our passion for bikes and life. All right, until we see each other again.